Kapi, enra yeda menije papa. Menije si edi Wontumi kotum. Me kra enije. Na eyadia me bosse me refi me hanki o me ka mu na wo se me bembose na me yi aye me yi nyame aye se at long last asobrache ba ko ho aka se ewiase se wo bobra oyonkobone se obrapa. You and I know Wontumi way back. He started well, even though sebi oye nipa obia wosinto. But to the extent that obema wo ho kwan na obia yusu. They say nipa na wo yusu na odi nya de opese wo nya bia no ene wo tifie o wadwojo ne ho bai na wo di the corn beef wa men wada. Time wa I mean, I've never run away from telling the public what I was. Captain was aware, me NPP ni from the get-go, yeah, the party, no, any doctor, and everyone knows me to be party ni. But nipa boni ni bedi party anymore. Mummy and Kano Crane and say, was a party no, was sell mine no. Oh, Ada. Akufo Addo beye mampani a yede microphone tuama no gusa me say nipa na wo se wontimi nya mampani wa be mampani wani ewu na me say onu nti na e cho John 10:10 owifo wo ma ade se obewia na wakum na wase no
ha tade wunya
mintimi because no kwa no kan papa na destroy o man no wa destroy party no wa destroy mu. This is a fine gentleman. Any question can then get ya can and once say a day I Wontumi ko afiase but nipa boni a ode ho abono or yonko boni a sell rapper. And he is not alone. There are several others that must go to jail because of Akufo Addo. Or yonko boni sell rapper. Papa penimu a wanyini aduru mfie peni ankasa bi nkawo ya hwe wa bra boso ne di atete nkwala. What destroying quality in our future by one selfishness, the obenya die. Akufo Addo person ye mampani nyina was because of onu the obenya die, the obe prama na busua, and your my guarantee. Bibi bia oye bia tia o man fa hudie ne nkoso ni kanko. One district, one factory. It was at the Bonny, Adwin Bonny. My example. Agenda 111. Ni nyina ya Adwin Bonny. One village, one. Oh, you see, obi a wo say Obama nkola free SHS. Obi anim say America na e wo honum na say e friend developed country no. E nyoma mienu pe. You build infrastructure first, then you put in the system. Yeah. And say Adwin Bonny intino no pay votes na all pay ekwaya odi be da awofo ya omumma omuntimi ntu omu school fees no na nka wo ya wo ya capitalist ade e wo say wo trim ne first thing they say ma Ghana ni nya sika wo hwe ne ma socialist and no dwen wo say o man ni mamu nya sika enti why do you call something social intervention socialist for ya capitalist for ya dwen say o man ni nya sika Nemo ne mani nya sika o man ni nya sika no ma o man ni bi ne ya de ayo o man ni yie enu nti yes say private sector is the engine of growth to every economy meboa ye ko school no sare etete yen enti me pe capitalism enu nti na me nya ndisi ni me pe capitalist me pe say Captain Smart ne wa bia djuma no wa fa nipa enya aban akobia djuma fa nipa da bi. How much can I buy do? Because I buy bien wo bibi just said the man for the amano. Eti mane man for ni nyasika. Eti wo be pretty fresh HS no. E ya dream boni na wo trim. Because who him say awofo no sika no opedi aba ahwe ne ba. Ade na ma awofo ni nyasika. Ma awofo ni nyasika. No ntwe ne ba. No ntwe ne ba school fees. No fa ne bank kozuku a wo no pe. Enya se wo di ama ne kwa enti no de opa bia no wa ye. Enkora no mu ko school no ko universities ko ne kohwe. Lectures no and Kurani brofo NPP brofo ni bi. I didn't did it. I didn't went. I didn't schooled. These are English and Kurani because you have not fast system bi mu anyhow because of Papa Penimu bi adwin bonia or pay votes keke. John Mahamadu Bawumia oni unya debate o se there bi Yes, build the infrastructure before.
I didn't what?
I didn't did it. Now we Akufo Addo say papa do course school. And we do course school now we nkola na corner bi na. Me say lectures name mark you papers ahun. Ubesu. Call the lecturers, interview them. It's appalling.
People had 5, 9.
Go school, akola go school.
9, grade 9.
And so they promote no
5. Yes, all go. Yeah. When I repeat student you. No, you can't repeat.
You can't. You couldn't repeat any student. Even no matter how down
I didn't know who are you repeating.
You're repeating.
Wholesale promotion. Sure, now teacher class
not because of partisan politics. Papa ni mu bi ani so ade hunu bone adwen bone abe create man into okoton. What destroy your mind no? You say nkula mo nyina bon. Ni ma me feel say wa pass you, but wo de sia no na ne nka brofo. I didn't did it. No be catch rew. I didn't did it. O try say a ohun ni ti, ohun ni nan. The body of the SNB bibia ya chese manya. And so university. Na sa akula said that you be a doctor. Na wo ba na sa so say o ya no de kaka edro be wo. Na kaka edro no kochi edro ya di wa ani a wo se wo se no afifie ani. E san se woni se me aka me na he enche na mawu. Eti ma me nya bia de me ma ya me de be convince obi ama na to aba ma me bia ma me keka. No akeka gum why sell man no what destroy man no kindergarten wo ni akonya tena so was ko free SHS na then once foundation abetimi and then all the grass akosi so bibia was very negative was me ma ambulance na watimi asesa ambulances no the akwakosi constituency no name ambulances no after the constituency ben na wo man we mu our hospital ambulance ya the hospital na ya the showcase bibi bia no aye politically motivated say menya dia be dad and comfort to win votes nothing more nothing else and you know so we how for 8 years of the life of Oman Ghana nipa bia said that he was talking about this economic crime, organized crime. They formed a syndicate asofo ka ho ahemfo ka ho imamfo ka ho. And these people, Nanaya Bonia Yang, and so fear Ama in KVSI 7 and Yadiano. Akufo Addo Obia no cap bonnet. Or hearing Casentiano. One look at me command or hine, sorry, not Chiame. Where was a meba? Where was a Kwaku Basasia? Sorry, not Chiame. Or hine Yari, what you want. Yeah, boy, one sorry, and no head you see can a greater German minister. This is what happened at the Akufo Addo. And I call him moi dear Omu penny, Omu bia, and Kwalanketin share sika. Yeah, can want someone. Look, I always have said, say. Akufo Addo and his government cannot account for 10% of the monies they accrued between the years 2017 and 2025. Listowel. 10%, they can't account for it. And until I am not Mahamadu Bawumia no more here bufu. Because with him, a dear Omodia on my way, no, I can hear firing squad. Hey, yes, Sika Wono, a such as Sika Mani war. And it's a national security threat. Because they can't account for even 10% of that monies they accrued. They can't. Na bonia ye kan wasemi. Eye bonia eye ketua wode ewo oman ni mu efa NPP aban a etwa mu fie nwotwe ho. Asebe ne ye kan wontumi de entiam de nyame asese ye na kotum. Wontumi sha asese o to gold wo Ghana ha. Obi ehui. Wontumi na de China for ba Ghana ha. No atero mo kwaya o mo kwaye bone. Even when John Mahama in his first term said no, Nyoma Ekoso no under the able leadership of Inisa Hussein. No mo kwaye no wontumi ya Nyoma abie nye. And almost say there ye excavator every what the kosi wa de beti no akotwa brad no akoje. And the excavator no tutu ni engine no. and I to the pass. You to pass. I did no a quarter for Frabeshim. And I'm saying, I'm on channel. And no my order. And no, John Mahamadu another. O di John Mahama temwa. Said na John Mahama man kwan. Eman into galamsey. And Akufo Addo so Kweku basashade. I say, hey, Akwe. The way I watch Mahamadu Bawumia, any men so met me na galamsey business. Akonta man no enya Wontumi nko adia. Akufo Addo na ya akonta no. And until he quickly came to his defense. Oba ni wo, oba no obi anim. But on the onye ebon nti ntimi nka na asem. Enti akonta na Akufo Addo na ya akonta no. Say waji weni so. Ye do ko say we Akufo Addo we. Say we dey come before da. Obekọ wajojo ne ho Akufo Addo hu ni body mu ne widie mu a ne ho fe. Na nimpe na but ne body pa say body. Ne widie mu. Ye say wada we be crime na tonton be me nse bi ne be kawo. Because baby na otchere tonton ni o say baby awakoyi. Ube free wo be ba no. Na say 20 something years no yan calculate device 3 minus 1 ebe ka say. Fan say be almost 15 years. And we come say I feel we 15 years this year. Obe ba no we in fedu senu. Eno kura no crime ba ko pe ho asem ni aka ho. Unim see to obe wie ye be swear in John Mahama few days to the occasion, the inaugural Unim say Wontumi ko jiska Cocoa board. Oh, 30 million. Yes. I think it's 50 rather. Cocoa Rose. Some man 30. For no what done. And no ya fan kokoto. I don't think I say aye ni no. E do baby a afi never. First one. Atedodo. And then a professor me confit $2 million pay. You didn't get court. That 50 something million. You to me fan court. Ayeni John Mahama who say and Kofu we boni dia no. Any question ko appoint one attorney general ne one deputy. Deputy I was saying ko di nipa be 30 e ko na dia ka no. Because you this can we are. We are big pusher. Easy. Who was carrying enough? It's enough to build this country because Dubai has used less that money to build Dubai. Less that money. It is PDS kwesi kakra obetimi dia ye ne oma bebre. I don't know what to for who ya odeni ho aka ban na odi akota America yi. Wonim se waye bone. Wonim se sika ne seneto. And America for us who could share $1 million, $2 million, and $5 million. I'm to be my crack, my permanent citizen.
Yes, sure.
And you be no acquire or who say, but who said no, acquire is ill gotten money. And yes, I can buy a citizen. And not in immigration for the Nicosia ice Nimua after a cool kakra for some time. No, America doesn't want to have a bad name. America kakrakano Donald Trump na ono ye former president o ma fana kokot akojira na political na afefi o se echichire me what say within 1 month no aye totwe ade che na so ate adwe boni ebe kurati mo tonwum enti no eye Wontumi asem na aba na mani age enye se mani age se ye di menu ye kotomo o mani age se ya twe obi aso ebe tu obi fu wa ba mu ne because omo wa ba mu ne no omo ye nipa ya manakwa yense na ho say politician de oye boni ayenka na politicians na so omo men na omo di oman ne boni omo ye boni na ebi ka omo but yesi dimbo entimu a etete wontoma enti dimbo ya bo politicians organ na hey ya ene example we aba no ebe mana yense na ho say emfa ho ni nipa ko a wo ye boni a emra ni obedi eno ni mani dia aba mi mu say emra na start ye den ye adwuma emfa ho nipa kro a sabi wo ye de to so biem wo ma dwe ye o mo say wo mo do omo ama yokuo echa omo man omo ya mamboyefo meni tumi bia wo wiase a sabi o enka yetimi de gu amayokuo na enka mesere say enko man ni nyina ne menya adwen na nka yengu NPP yes eya mamboyefo kuo eye nipa bonifo bia o maka omo ho abomu a because yanka omanimunti no omaye hardened criminals charge ni di asem ne nura frentim he watertight obi enya ho asem nka omukọ appeal court ombe lusu. It's a promise because the judge was very meticulous with the law. No what timi abegina honom nipa okay speech ni o so ye lawyer ni a ye nyina ye nim so akọ law school me ka tell say NPP lawyer bi enu onim law they only know the judge. The reason why they were always fighting Tokonu say one samre biem is because omuni Tokonu plan say krono no magoni nyina no enkosi aga enu ti kwan bia so no Tokonu nya CJ or yes Chief Justice Ogana had ya asem no say on na be ma judge obedi asem no etin ka say we Wontumi asem ka kwa na ki abo ato agu na this year imagine so because some dey be Professor Mills President Akufo ye papa ya de nyina President Akufo wo fra ban mu no ekwan ya wo ye court system no wo the case akọ court obi anim question say jey ade no obi anim de ekosi ye kan ye ntimi kan kese obi anim ye public knowledge aso ekọ court no asem no hwoti hwote na yato agu Ghana 50 obi ehun ye obi ani tua obi a tefa kakra obi a DB aso so ekọ court ofa otini ba bi meboa afira ama aban na ye useless because wonu ehun say me ye boni a court na de me ko ntima me pack court no to an extent say bibi bia be ko so court ni mu bia no me na mesa control enti control dia enya dia me kwa fiase wo kura aban wani begu ase enti president Mahamadu say nyansa say no e ho say Ghana ni no onya oman no amamu so mfaso Tokonu ne boni e o ye ade ni ko fie no obi aye de chance o but it was to make sure say sanity prevails na Ghana ni no taxpayers money na wotua no onya so mfaso enu nti ne yanya CJ we a wono NDC for the asema ko say o ye kwankwo to aba wo pandai check NDC na de ne kwotena ho Kenya no answer wa ye panelem bia betimi aboa manatimi a win case no o say NDC mu jamu mu nyam asem mu boa mu di for e kwan kura mo fa so mo file case ma file ni ye ntima bo asem na to agu so justice is working now so say wontimi nya sa me mo friend say dey FC unanimous FC wontimi nya biem because a judge for adwene ya adwuma na judge ben na wo wiase a intafo kura so o madwene nko na mutimi baba my judgment say mu de mu nyina nipa 7 nipa 9 mu nyina ma adwene ye baako na ma tro one judgment dia ba obi ntimi nkyere say me de me ne judgment we ha ne be ne wo ya adwene ba ha de me ne mo nya adwene na mu ye hefo afi no ma Akufo Addo no oni certificate no mu ma me ne mu papa abratia musuku fees ama mwanya certificate na fe onu na woni certificate no ene control ma remote control ma adwen to the extent say Akufo Addo aba wonya ya ode be ye president ni eni bi yenim aba ode be ye second president or ye second term yenim enso eni yebo aso ye mampani eni yebo a wako school class certificate no Akufo Addo na woni certificate na control na adwen enti na bibia ye basa baby aye drui justice system ni ye adwuma John Mahama reset no ama justice system no untimi nya judge na onka say media mekwa akwaje adamudie because say ka adamudie no ntina mitutema eye maame na odi asem no because say ka adamudie a NPP for will be man papa because he come wia no na Wontumi oka say obetimia na obi oso okoto Chelsea ade na ko timi fa maame ne mfa ne huni oka so man attempt they may have made attempts. But Mamino was in sincere and it's victory for my Ghana. And untamani aji e wonyamimu se me man no koyie. Ebio, yes I heard from another angle. Baby a Wontumi asay samna boy akoduro no. Sika ben ye fa nkoye reclamation no. Why sika? Na sa wo ye NPP ni na we Justin Kodua na we ye omolo ye NPP lawyers I don't know afeno so jao na we press conference and about Frank Davis We nyina we are lawyer for. Etimi who and this lawyer be bu papa. Because answer na obetimi pass law exams. E wo makola. Because wo makola na NPP for nkwa na wo ho. And na mo marking scheme no NPP di enko. And na NDC di enko. So wunyi wanim na so ye NPP ni. What bon kra na bi mu nyina lawyers. What bon kra be lawyer? Record the no what can asemi judge make judgment. Put legal arguments. What the emotions? Second law, you say emotion and kaba na ka bi anka ma bebre anyem. Because you better kill me the law, you better kill me no anyem. How? But now one my friend how
look at
what you are pranking smart.
Are you the Listowel I trained?
You are the trainer. So what's the difference?
I am the one who first put this wonderful young man on radio. Men am didn't try radio so. But as I say,
there be Akwasu Ntimi Sini Owura. Akwasu Ntimi Sini.
Hey, listen well.
So you look at issues, you know. Sometimes I think say Ghana for senior mass. Last time I'm checking the IQ averages of the world. That was in 2023. And I'm beginning say me shedi nti Ghana for yetimi ama ye kwan say Akufo Addo ye man penny. But I got the answer straight away. Countries 199 and we are say e hwe ya adwen say na yesi dwen fa say na yesi ye nyoma fa say na yesi ye feelings ya tenka nyoma ben ye hia yetimi busa yetimi kasa. Out of 199 countries no Captain, we were 190th. And we didn't know Akufo Addo ye man penny no. Yene. Omani didn't Akufo Addo can never even be a assemblyman or qualify. Because I can pay in the trim. Only to see a pa. Say so ni baby eda. John Hamaba ya 141st. Rwanda baby no moda omunya omu present. Me say they have gone past a certain stage astronomical. US of all nations only 20th. The first three Asian countries because the reasoning no and in the speed of the technology we are saying no ama omadwene ne ye adwuma etuntimi konya president bi anase bi a prime minister bi wo these Asian countries ya na adwene ebe te se Akufo Addo entimi nsi so obi timi tena se me se me de oman no agudi a se fom anya ntuye ni kosia wo wa na me ma gisika di na ma oman no 500 million wabra fi ba ko pesika ye de cover no Dubai proper is in excess of $3 billion. Now you confirm yesa no akofa ni nua so crofo tachi amoa no so this say na kwa say tax saving mu real man not to two man up and something me who NPP ni am who is a criminal and until na me see me need to me nka megu no na mo dia so tua Ghana for dia ma mu ensa me talk so say Ghana me preach say mumi anche o maso da.
So South Korea 1, China 2, Japan 3, Iran 4.
Yes.
Australia 5, Russia 6.
Yes.
Singapore 7.
Yes.
Mongolia 8. New Zealand 9. Vietnam 10.
Yes.
Spain 11.
Yes.
No wonder so much World Cup.
Yes.
Cyprus 12. Canada 13. United Kingdom 14. United Kingdom 14. Sri Lanka 15.
And to one who says Sri Lanka 15 no modano. Omo manfo ni hu say mampani e de man ya se ojimi. On twa mu chikofa ni fie. Afa ne bedroom. Me sure say ne pant omo kohhehye. Adwene ne ye adwuma. On tira ho ma wo mampani saman no wabra ye nyina na e be suffer the consequences of his license.
Slovenia 16, Belarus 17, United States Abasul 2 18.
Oh, beautiful.
Albania.
I said Trump is doing well.
Albania 19, Switzerland 20, Georgia 21, Italy 22, Netherlands 23, Peru 24, Hungary, Krona Obodia se komde 25. The rest
and on and on and on and on.
The rest.
Akufo Addo man penny na Ghana 190th. I said ye nimnyansa 10 countries in 9 Now we baby ani ejimi adru a. Agenti no ye man penny. So you look at these IQ averages and you tell. Etimesre Sanyo mana mwadwe ye mo se ye tete politics yanko ne yanko tumfu trongu enkola ni yanko tumfu trongu sa nyankopon adom fun ye kura ye fun yi se so bia sori a na danfo no akwala na nka ne ma me ka chen se he ye de dankwa buzia o eno na edi twa ofuru ma ne sa akwala no ene o ma me ntimi mfa sa de ne nko nani so obe ka chen se ma me de me hunu wa ha no sa dankwa buzia no ye nkwase asem ma me fa ma dwene nwene e wa ha Accommodate me, I was a darko buzia. A dinner crati say a comedy. And yet, deepa, I'm a boy of 4, my common boom. And Krumanio Mano Yena, some kind dietia. And I am Yasa, my NPP near. Because some kind history ye, Naminantiasia. And these 3 words, I don't joke with them. Knowledge, wisdom. And at the Bawumia power understanding. You can be wise, but if you don't have understanding, wisdom, and when the Bible say, wisdom no krano, in order I get get understanding. Meboa. And you know, Sanya Mami and say a better me at my Juma. Ghana, Ghana, oh, Kwasiepa, and was here last but 10, and now BB. Last but 10, and now 9. And yes,
100 na.
And yeah, 100. What 100? We just also 190. What do we 90? Oma who say ya dream judgment to come here free so. Oh hey. Show
129. 128. 127
in Tanzania. You know ni nyansa chain. IQ average is new. In the Kenya way, Akufo Addo find a man penny or Ghana. Or find Mozambique for you in Nasa saying, Cote d'Ivoire. Who do cronies
country by country?
Country by country. And these are what you can use to measure a generation.
91.116.
Yeah, was saying
118. Debbie, you Debbie, one more 110 ni. Namibia, Debbie, call. Hey, Debbie, you are 120. Cote d'Ivoire.
And your mama buy ya buy your name, Papa.
Ghana, 116.
Your mama. It means we are moving in a positive direction.
This is a first 100. O man ya worry say o IQ ni ye adwuma no.
Yanka ho. Wait, ne 190 fo. Ti aba 116 dia do Mahamenti. Baby ana Akufo Addo Bediatuo 190.
You see, I saw that work no. I dey yamba o. So we come baby. What ho? We need public toilets. We need nsuo. Who school here? Who need clinic? What's the main here? I want to pay.
I think I say, yeah, we meet to Danko Museum to Minimi. And then Kwano, Yankupon Adum, Yen say, Fui in a Kolana Danfo. And it is a just in Kojo now say, I'm from Jumana, the justice now, the Okan Prof in the class. So you didn't need it to be
persecution.
Travesty of justice.
Yeah. Persecution.
Travesty of justice, no. What is your counter argument? Who are lawyer for? Who are lawyer ni? Lawyer jina unifa, lawyer jina bonkum. Ti mo banu kamu ni nyansa, kamu banu Ghana for. The Maya say, a travesty of justice number 1. Judge no was saying, yes, say, one, and so, wait to me and emotions. Yes, I'm out of here into trim me order. When I'm now too happy birthday will trim. I mean, some of these things we should reason. Sometimes look at how Bawumia just put himself to public derision. Your friend is saying tribunal system. Yeah. Ade mama penny is saying. I didn't know man is saying tribunal by and then papa. The two news are not democracy being your papa. And you can see a democracy way. Actually, when you Mama Penny, it's painful. Let's grow as human. Then quite a name. But yeah, me bucket ticket, I'll be on the bed on homework with me yet. Me bucket to homework or the bed brow said that. I didn't when you see any. One here, just offer our phone where we are one say, maybe a private toilet. Now, what Google know about how they will know. You saw the near and say, oh, wow, we did. I can't do my door. I will crap here, the one bone. I will tribunal. And we are seeing now your tribunal. And together, they will say Africa, across Africa, more to him. And here tribunal. And now so him say what chrono, what assassin GPS, CKD 2.5 million. Jack, where are you? John Mahama first time. Me now Uber Makuma 12. I didn't know me man and comfort me at call Biffy. Any GPS. Now we are now down Diabroni Tommy. I won't have for. Uni mo crown no ababonti no tifie udi choza fi mi anaka sebi. How? It's painful. Okay. Let's grow. Yeah. Okay. Don't stop insulting our intelligence.
Okay. But I am say baby obi will tribunal. Engineer Okakra. The tribunal now.
Assalamu alaikum.
Me obi last week because I said tribunal de me obi akese de bia meti amidwane. Because military tribunal no na the state house banquet hall no tell me uncle kofa obi nti but no cry woman say even under the military tribunal you do begina tribunal anymore you speak to the issue as normal conclude say the omote ye no anya omode tribunal anya kangaroo court to and amayenko yenim the call against the tribunal is actually a call against the fight against corruption.
Yes.
That call against tribunals is a big call against the fight against corruption.
Excellent.
And anybody, when you hear tribunal now, Captain Mayenko, Article 126 in the Constitution, the one that sets up the Supreme Court and its auxiliary traditional courts, no? And no, tribunal. If you can just click Article 126 now, and it gave birth to the Supreme Court and also the tribunal as well. And then tribunal in your idea of the team say or Jimmy and Radio the Constitution itself 126 and tribunals. It's a creation of the law. And you'll be no about the team and o mo kodwe ho say ye boy ekro no nti obese ye de bibi foforo bi ba de bi provisional wo constitution ni mu ene wo pese o judge cases e se o dwene ho na ye kan say e den na ma obi kan say ye nsan ko constitution ni enkofa ade we meye djuma there are backlog of cases a case bebre o ya share cases bi mo ase 9 years ni ye wie ye yen kombra sa 9 years yen wie sa case no and say otise obi ka say tribunal no ye di bedi obi bone na dan tribunal ye de ba ye be kire party a ye fa nyama na region for a ye fa nyoma na tribe for a ye fa nyom de di e ba e betina and tribunal nankasa no it's a making of the law a constitution mu ankasa 126 udru take abru be the Supreme Court wo no e ho na tribunal no so wo. The framework of the law no Jane said we should have a Supreme Court. Or something said, yenya tribunal. I said, otchere bi. Framework of the law me smart too. Yeah, the justices, dear Fana Muniniama. Over the case, Ahura will say no. Yeah, they say, otchere lawyer bia. Na jimu dopa begachro say, Okodani say. Into yenya say once the Supreme Court and the other courts are actually having their issues, you can just create a quick one. Now also embema emboa I first say the major hospitals or regions no be see any district hospitals any cheap compounds we see they be yemfa equipment na go be a region hospital na Kolebumu any 37 the idea of having a cheap compound and now can because what are the benefits all those backlog cases no you be reducing na you be bulk cases no in term the expansion of justice delivery and the baso say you be sa tribunals no na cases bi mo e be che e wo other courts no ke no no na ye de akobo in term amaye the tribunals are under the same article na ye ka no oba onim kakra corruption cases ye kan kadodo na tribunals bit me handle amaye na tribunal ye kan enye say ye ba be hwe onim na so o say software ko judge was at tribunal no it is the same judicial system we have the same chief justice that will lord over the tribunals. And say unji in this tribunals be papa and then that means you are telling me that you unji in this supreme court so ejumapa and now the lower court so ejumapa enti eno na ye di unkomo the tribunals will ensure quick collection ade ba kwa di edem pa say abra ebebu aten no by the time we pass judgment no na nkrofo no we disca no and then the crap ye jubilate we are jubilate on one side elijeno on one side esa say good year no nya fee sa mining concession mu no ye so ochina opieba it has become a motivation for others because also nebusi mbese 30 years obi anto Toyota ba akukra na wato bicycle I mean when he enters the field now betima ya dey we bi na 20 years ya dey born 3 man after some years ni party bar or no they no go ji am the family one him say sir nkofo na mo ko la akba na bomb ne bro na ne bomb ni akọ na ya sign nebusi afọ beji sika no e bi na ye bi mu ano it's I say you just come at the front and say oba be ye bi dream obom sa o wie ya ye nkotum obenya lawyer so ahwa obe pepia nkakrakra 3 years 2 years na case ni sim sa enti ya nye trouble that way ni am born in tentem an go gi ni shoe an go gi watch dan same crowd en ko sa very important. We should make it so much you see you should pinch hard and shall say we no let's pinch so hard that it will enter flesh so that observers will be worried and tamed obi hu say conform bi hu say sa conform back no those times firing squad me some of us we now understand the entire obj said let's do firing squad and around the time no when they did the firing squad no Mahamadu Bawumia conform
sanity
if say obi hu say we near you enter mo born no public no pew one gunshot na real body mu adaya okuwia say you see that's what I'm saying say they should thank their God in another country no under the same democracy say who could defend the say yeah press conference be say against what a judge through the laws of the states we say Philippines only be can we a press conference now no you have to tell them why are you challenging the court
even China former minister and saying oye bibi omochini
right
2 people who made the Facebook post China so say you see sa Facebook ni amana na oti America na ade no my own Facebook post omo tena plane me fi America be do China na they arrest omo for abetment
yes you are aiding and abetting it for us so say captain catch you say it is organized it is an organized crime
13 years
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.